I would like to think at some point in the future, if I knock on your door, you might be able to help me out. What people misunderstand with networking or relationship developing is that you've got to give long before you can think about receiving.
They call that emotional banking, is it? Emotional intelligence. So you give to someone and they give back.
Right, I've heard that. Well, you can give me that book. We'll do book swaps. But I mean, I actually thought about it again this morning because I got a text message from somebody where I'd introduced them to somebody who's potentially going to invest in the business. Certainly help them, and they just sent me a message saying that it's been a fantastic introduction. Thanks so much. And I'll always look at those situations, and if I know I can put two people together for their mutual benefit or whatever, I just get on with it. And I want nothing from it. I would like to think at some point in the future, if I knock on your door, you might be able to help me out. But 99% of the people look at those situations and want to know what their cut of the deal is before the introduction's even been made.